For the summary of the article is, in summary, the article defines problem solving as a systematic and iterative process. It begins with identifying and understanding the root cause of a problem. Proceed through exploring and evaluating potential solutions and ends with implementing and assessing the chosen solution. Various methodologies such as Six Sigma, Lean Management, Trial and Error, Different Reduction and Myth and Analysis are discussed. Their approach offers a structured framework for addressing problems, ensuring better decision, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement within organization. The article concludes by reiterating that problem solving is a critical skill for manager and that organization prioritizing its development will be better equipped to face challenge, drive innovation and achieve sustainable success. To conclude, this article valuable insight into the importance of problem solving in management by breaking down the process into actionable steps and providing various methodologies. It serves as a guide for managers to lead effectively in a dynamic business environment.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss several effective problem-solving techniques that manager can use to tackle issues at the workplace. This method can be tailored to different types of problems, from operational efficiency to employee. Our first technique is Six Sigma. Developed in the 1918 by Motorola, Six Sigma focused on improving business performance by reducing error and enhance process efficiency. It's data-driven and aims almost flawless operational performance, striving eliminate defect and minimize variability in processes. Six Sigma is particularly useful for addressing operational efficiency or quality control issue, especially in manufacturing. But its principle can be applied across various industry. The key strength of Six Sigma is reliance on data and a customer-centric approach to the decision making, which make it excellent tool for improving process performance and ensuring quality. Next, we have Lean Management, a methodology developed by research at MIT. The core of Lean is about eliminating waste, whether it's time, material, or effort, to streamline process and increase efficiency. This approach especially useful in environment where speed and operational efficiency are critical. However, it might not be ideal for problem requiring complex decision making or creative problem solving, as it focuses more on optimizing existing processes. Okay, moving on, trial and error. This method involves testing different approach to solve a problem and learning from the result. The key here is being open to failure, but with contingency plan in place. It is flexible, low investment approach that works best for low risk issue, allowing manager to explore several solutions without committing significant resources upfront. However, the major downside is that it can be inefficient, as repeated trial may result in wasted time and resources if not managed properly. It be used when stakes are low and experimentation could lead the valuable insight. The different reduction strategy is all about breaking down a complex problem into smaller, more manageable parts by focusing on a component at a time. This approach helps to avoid feeling overwhelmed and allows for a clear prioritization for tasks. This method is particularly useful for large and complicated problems that seem too daunting to solve at one go. The challenge with this approach lies in accurately defining the problem's component and ensuring that the parts are properly prioritized to achieve effective result. Finally, we have means and analysis. This technique is about identifying the gap between where you are and where you want to be, and then taking specific step to bridge that gap. It's especially useful when the desired outcome is clear, but the path to reach it is not. For example, if a team member is not ready for a promotion, means and analysis could help identify the skill gap and establish a training program to close it. The key here is to ensure that the steps are taken to the right one to successfully close the gap, which require a clear understanding of both the current and desired state. That's all.
Hi, and today I will present about connection to real-world application. Amazon, a global leader in e-commerce, has successfully tackled issues like high employee turnover in fulfillment facility using methodical and data-driven approach. The company identified the root cause in these issues such as physical strains, lack of career advancement opportunities, and poor work-life balance by analyzing performance data, employee survey, and departure interview. This information helped Amazon identify trends and paid areas, enabling the development of workable solutions. The first step involved identifying the root cause of the problem, which was physical strain due the extended work hours, unclear communication about career advancement, and insufficient assistance in juggling work and personal obligation. This allowed Amazon to focus on fixing the fundamental problem rather than superficial signs. Saga's solution include a shorter shift with breaks and introduction of ergonomic equipment. This makes sure improve working condition and employee happiness by promoting better work-life balance, providing mentoring programs, and introducing ergonomic equipment. Amazon takes this solution in real-world situations, ensuring their effectiveness and reducing risk. The final stage involve assessing the outcome metrics, which show a 20% decrease in turnover rates and test size. This change in perceived working environment satisfied workers, increased productivity, and raised staff morale. Employee feedback confirmed the effectiveness of the change, leading to the rollout of the pilot program throughout the organization for long-term effects. Amazon's success implementing this solution demonstrates how organized problem solving can effectively solve real-world workplace problems. By implementing this solution, Amazon demonstrates how organized problem solving can effectively address workplace issues. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now, as you can see in this poster that we have provided, there are 7 of problem-solving steps. The first step is identifying the issues. This step also to understand and define the problem clearly. Without a clear understanding of the problem, it's difficult to find an effective solution. At Amazon, problems may not always be immediately obvious, but they can arise from various sources such as customer complaints, operational inefficiencies, or issues in product offerings. Amazon might recognize a problem if there is a significant uptick in negative customer reviews or a decline in Prime membership renewals, indicating a potential service or product-related issues. For example, if customers complain that orders are arriving late, this could be a sign of inefficiency in the fulfillment process or logistics. Amazon would first recognize that there is a problem when customer satisfaction drops. The next step is to analyze the problem. After identifying the problem, these also include in understanding the causes, effects, and stakeholders involved. Analyzing the issue is a crucial step in problem solving, where you examine the problem in depth to understand its scope, root, causes, and potential impact. In this stage, you gather data, look at the contributing factors, and identify patterns to find the source of the issue. This step also involves in recognizing that there is an issue, understanding its nature, and defining it in a way that makes it possible to address. So let's analyze a potential problem at Amazon using the step-by-step approach. So for this example, we will focus on delivery delay issue, which Amazon may face, especially during peak seasons or due to logistical challenges. Amazon will begin by collecting and reviewing a variety of relevant data. For instance, customer feedback. Customer also give a complaints, rating, and reviews indicating delivery delays. Next, logistic data. Information about where delays are happening. For instance, fulfillment centers, shipping routes, or last mile delivery, and many more. So that's all for analyze data. So, for the third step in the article is describing the problem. Articulate the problem clearly, ensuring that all stakeholders have a common understanding. This step may involve documenting the problem and discussing it with team members to gain diverse perspective to the process of clearly and accurately outlining the issue at hand in a way that everyone involved can understand. It's also involved in identifying the key elements, causes, scope, and impact of the problem in order to provide a solid foundation for finding a solution. One significant problem Amazon has faced is delivery delay during peak shopping seasons such as Black Friday, Prime Day, or the holiday seasons. This issue directly affects customer satisfaction and brand reputation, as timely delivery is a critical expectation for Amazon customers. So, what is the problems? Amazon struggles with delivery delay during peak seasons due to an overwhelming volume of orders, limited logistic capacity, and external factors like weather conditions or supply chain disruptions. So, who is affected? Of course, the main affected is customer because experience dissatisfaction due to delay shipment, especially for time-sensitive purchases. So, that's all for describe the problem.
Step 4. Finding the source at Amazon is involved in investigating issues like supply chain delay, customer complaint, or technical glitch. To identify the root cause, whether it's inventory management or website functional. Step 5. Developing solution option. Once the cause is clear, Amazon team brainstorm possible solution like improving logistics, upgrading tech infrastructure, or enhancing customer support process to address the issue effectively. Step C. Applying the solution. The selected solution is then implemented, whether it is optimizing warehouse, rolling out new features, or retaining employees. Amazon ensures the solution is actively monitored for effectiveness. Step 7. Assessing results. Finally, Amazon evaluates the solution success by reviewing customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and any issues that remain, making further adjustment as needed to ensure long-term resolution. That's all from me. Thank you.
For the conclusion of article discusses a problem-solving technique for managers, including Six Sigma and Lean Management, which aim to improve organizational performance by reducing errors and increasing efficiency. It also provides a systematic approach to problem-solving, including problem recognition, definition, data collection, implementation, and evaluation. However, it leads case studies to overlook emotional intelligence, overemphasizes formal approaches, overlook challenges, and also fails to emphasize continual improvement. Problem-solving skills are crucial for managers, team members, and organizations to fostering a collaboration, achieving goals, and improving communication, leadership, and adaptability. So that's all from me. Thank you.